Hi, my name is Tony Altilio. I'm here with my cousin Danny Altilio. We're going to show you today how to make sausages. We're going to show you two ways. You could do it yourself. You buy the meat and then you cut it into pieces like this. You take the meat and you cut it into strips like this. Then you cut it into cube size like stew meat. And I put it over here. The meat for the sausage is the butt. And let me show you again the type of meat. It's a little dark. Okay, now it's time to grind the meat. My cousin's going to show you how to do it, Danny. Danny, go ahead.
Take the pieces and you put them in your grinder. Just put that on out of the way. And don't overstuff it. And we're using the largest hole that comes with the KitchenAid. And as you can see, it's coming out nicely. And you can use the KitchenAid that comes with the attachment and also the sausage maker attachment as well. This would go on the front and you would put the casings on.
Now, some of the things that we need to make sausage, so we need casings for sausage, we need wine, salt, twine, pepper, and peppercorn. Now you can put either one or both. I like to use both. At the end of the video, I'll give you the exact amount for so many pounds. Now, let's add all the ingredients that we need to make sausage. The pepper, and you spread it, just a thin line. I like to add some peppercorn. Okay, stop. I'm going to add some salt. We add wine, drinking wine. That's very important. Not cooking wine, drinking wine. And a little bit for me. This part you gotta mix it well. Make sure you mix it well or else it doesn't come out as good as it should. Now, let's see if we put enough ingredients. Now, how do we do that? We fry it, and I'm gonna show you what we do. Take a little bit of meat. Put it in a frying pan. I'm going to fry this meat. Okay, just a few. Let's see if we put enough ingredients. If we have to add a little bit more. Let's see. Perfect. I'm going to get one of these sausage stuffer and I'll show you how to stuff the meat inside. Open it up. This one is a 10 pounder, but you can get one that is 5 pounds. But mine is 10 pounds. So you take the meat and put it inside and you fill it up all the way to the top. Okay, stop. Oh, this is almost filled. I think this is it. maybe just, yeah, this is it. Okay, so you see, you fill it up. Okay, then you bring it down. And this is the piston that will push the meat out. Okay. Now we're going to put the tube up to the machine here. And it's very easy. Okay, it's done. Okay, I put the casing on, finished. Now it's time to stuff the sausages. You got a string of twine and you tie the end. Okay, very simple. Okay, and now we're ready to stuff the sausages.
Okay, you're on.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, keep stuffing.
Okay.
It's okay. Okay. Now you can make them different sizes. That's my wife for the string. I tie it over here. Okay. With a scissor. Cut it. Okay, now the next step is right about the middle, right here. Okay, tie it. Really tight. Okay, and then you tie it again. And now they're ready to hang and dry them. And that's how you make them. Now I'm going to make the rest of them. At the end I'll show you all the sausages that I made. Alright, sometime the sausage casing is going to break. I'm going to show you right now. If that happens, you're going to take part of the casings, big enough to cover the whatever the broken part is. You put it on and you spread it over the breakage. That's it, and it's good as new. Perfect.